Franny's Vlogs.
Yo, what's up you guys, it's Friendly here. Welcome back to the channel. We're here in El Salvador walking. Anyways, here walking down the path. Where we're going? See a waterfall, right?
Yes.
We're gonna see a waterfall.
We are in Tamanique.
Where?
Tamanique.
Say it again? I didn't hear you.
Tamanique.
There we go. So that's the place we're at. I'm not gonna try and say it because I'm gonna butcher it. Anyways, supposedly it is like 15 kilometers, right? Or 3 kilometers?
It's 3.
3 kilometers going down. So I'll put it down how many miles for us Americans.
What?
Don't know what kilometers is. So right now, I'm going down the path. Full of rocks, and obviously we're leaving Selena behind because we don't want her to carry her, and it's hot.
Okay. Got it. By the Blanco.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, I forgot my GoPro at home, so you guys won't be under the water, but I did buy my phone, so look for that. Alright guys, we're supposed to go down there, but we're taking a shortcut. So we have a tour guide that's doing this also, so make sure you have a tour guide because he knows where the shortcuts and everything. Yeah, and also got the cousin-in-law also. Follow her down around here. Explosions.
Bro. Alright, flip the camera.
Let's go.
Everything we gotta go through. Go down.
Oh, there's nothing. Shortcuts, you guys. Shortcuts. Dang, look at this view, you guys. Damn. Yo, it's hot as fuck, though. I'm gonna lie. But look at this view, you guys. Beautiful. And we still have more to go down, but I can still hear the water. I can still hear the water. Look.
As long as I get to the first waterfall, I'm down. That's it. That's all I need.
We're here taking a break. Got my beer with me. You already know. Now let's go. Just know, if you guys come here, call me. I want to go again. I want to see if you guys fall. You may never know.
Okay.
Right here, you guys.
Hold on.
This is the waterfall.
Apurate, hacer que todo calor.
Shit.
Yeah, you guys don't do? No, nothing. Ready?
Wait. Alright. Ready.
Sophie, yeah. Go in there. Here. From here. Yeah. I'm gonna go through there.
Oh!
What happened?
Let me take a picture of you.
Don't lose my wait. Here. Have your boyfriend's, I mean your husband's ring. Oh, hold on.
Wait, let me get
Let me get him.
You wanna get in?
Through there.
Okay. Parate.
This water is natural water, so it's really cold, and it's like a little river kind of running down. Yep, careful.
I'm gonna have beautiful legs.
We're on our way to the second waterfall. And Paco's phone got in the water. Bro. No, here, grab it. We're just recording.
Yo, what's up, you guys? We just got out of the waterfall. Anyways, we're going to like the third waterfall there today. I don't know if we're recording. It's recording? Yeah. You know, me Mexican. Put close.
That?
No, we're not going to that one.
Mira. Did you see it?
There's the water.
Was that nice view? Yeah, you can see the waterfall. I'm staying here, girl. I ain't going nowhere else.
We got an injured mate.
Yeah.
What happened? Tell me your experience.
Oh, this is Mother Earth telling me welcome to El Salvador.
Aquí, en el canal de Pancho, ¿cómo es? Pancho, Aventuras de Pancho.
You got your theme song there.
We just came from up there. They're up there. And right now we're going down to the next waterfall, which is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's so freaking dark. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna get a little closer. Try not to bust my ass here. Try and grab every stick, please. But, oh, there you go. So you guys, we're here in the waterfall. Actually, it's right there, but I decided not to go in because I don't want to take out my socks, my shoes, and dry them, you know, all that stuff. But these lovely ladies are going in. Go, Judy's. Dale. So yeah, you guys, this is the waterfall. You guys want to come in here? Oh my god, my do-rag. Look clean. Show me those waves. Alright, I'm telling you guys. So yeah. Damn, you guys, look at the waterfall. I'm telling you guys. You guys like, oh, I'm gonna show my waves. You guys really have to come here to figure out, to be here at the moment. So amazing. Now we're going back, because it's time to go. Yo, going back up, I mean, yo, it fucking takes the breath out of you. Especially if you went to the water. Even though if you didn't go to the water, going up is the hard part. They say it's the easiest, but no. Going down was hard to also, but going up more, because you're going like a big ass slope. Like going stairs in a way. I'm tired. It's like the moment when I went to Mexico, the pyramids. It was like that. It felt like that right now. I'm feeling exactly that moment right there. My wife also taking a break because of me. But let's go, you guys. What is this, you guys? ¿Qué es esto?
¿Cómo que qué es esto?
¿Cómo qué ahí abajo?
¿Qué es esto?
Bosques.
Este es un ingenio café. Ese es aquel que está allá. Saludos, pues, aquí con el youtubero Pancho.
¿Cómo se llama el
Aventuras
programa
de Pancho?
Aventuras
de Pancho.
¿Crees que vas a ser famoso?
Ahora te mando tu cheque.
Ahora me salen todos.
Allá los saqueos, ¿no? El café que te hicieron allá.
La gran polución.